Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I have some amazing Indian suit sets to show you. All of these are in amazing prices and you can shop them all online with the help of a click of a link, and all these links will be in the description box for you to check out. So one by one, I'm going to try and review these in this video, so keep on watching till the end. Right, so without further delay, let's begin with the first suit set. The first suit set is this amazing yellow, beautiful bright yellow suit set made out of cotton. This is an all yellow and it has this intricate work going on all over the trousers and the kurta. The kurta is like a 3/4 sleeves and the length is quite to the ankle, and it does not have any slits. It is an anarkali kind of a pattern and it is so refreshing for the current season. And in case if you are attending any haldi ceremony, this can be the best bet out there, because isse sundar yellow I haven't seen before. It's such a sunshine, beautiful, happy yellow, and the suit set looks fabulous. Let's have a look at the next piece. The next piece is this. This is again a cotton. This one is again a cotton suit set, but this one is way more different from the yellow one. It has a beautiful dupatta and a mask attached with the set. So it's not only the kurta, the pants, but also a dupatta and a matching mask. What more can you ask for at this price? The print is fabulous. The way it looks, it's fabulous, and something like this was missing in my wardrobe, a sharara set with a dupatta. This one is simple and elegant, yet a very glam one. I just love this for the entirety and for the color, the combination, the fabric. It is fantastic and it is a must-have. If you love to wear Indian suit sets and value for money sets, this one is a great option. Alright, so moving on to the next piece. This one is one of my favorites because of the beautiful color and the fabric and the way it looks overall. So I am talking about this piece out here. It is pink and silver. White, pink and silver is a beautiful, gentle, elegant and बहुत ही classy combination है, I feel. इसके साथ एक दुपट्टा भी आता है ये लहरिया प्रिंट में, and it looks fabulous. I mean, I am a fan of how this entire suit looks like, और इस प्राइस में it is a steal for sure. And ये मेरा one of the go-tos है जब मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता what to do, what to wear in my relatives occasions or in my family wedding का कोई छोटा मोटा occasion. So I would love to wear something like this because this is a complete set. इसमें पैंट्स है, कुर्ती है और दुपट्टा भी है. सो यू आर सॉर्टेड. यू डोंट हैव टू मिक्स एंड मैच. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक टू मच. इसके साथ एक झुमका पहन लो एंड यू आर डन. इतना सिंपल और इतना एलिगेंट और ग्लैमरस एट द सेम टाइम. सो आई लव दीज 3 सूट सेट्स. बट एक थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न टच वाला और एक फ्यूजन वेयर वाला भी मैं नेक्स्ट दिखाने वाली हूँ, विच इज गोइंग टू स्टील योर हार्ट. कीप वॉचिंग. सो द नेक्स्ट सूट सेट इज दिस. So this is a kurta जो कि सामने तक छोटा है and पीछे से लंबा है. So it is like a top from the front and it has a slit open in the front, and पीछे से it's like a full without any cuts and things, and it is beautiful. इसमें एक golden काम है printed and बहुत ही beautiful combination है brown and gold which can never fail you. और इसके साथ में आता है ये पैंट जिसके नीचे में ये वर्क है. इसके ऊपर एक पतला सा 3 different layerings has been done at the bottom, and it is a pencil cut. It looks super smart with your heels or with your jutis, and you can just rock the look, especially मेहंदी functions में डांस के वक्त you want to be free without the dupatta. So उस टाइप के functions के लिए this one is a fabulous pick, and I love the color. I mean, ये कितना traditional और कितना beautiful combination है. I feel very confident when I wear this because this is a fusion wear. Indian plus western का एक beautiful fusion है, and ये साथ में बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिखता है when you want to be free and enjoy yourself. Moving on to the next few finds on Amazon which are going to be a great discovery when you are heading out for a special function. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you is this eyeliner. अगर आप पास से देखो तो यहाँ पर एक स्टार स्टैम्प है. So I got this super affordable eyeliner from the brand very well known Mars, and this one is a steal deal क्योंकि इसके pen liner में one side is a regular pen liner and on the other side is a star stamp. So you can either wear it as a bindi, or you can either wear it as a tattoo, or you can wear it as a liner like this. I have tried to highlight it, and this one is such a steal deal. I mean, wow! ये कोई भी simple look को कितना amp up कर देता है. Adorable, isn't it? I mean, I can wear it as a tattoo anywhere I want to. I can wear it as a bindi. I can wear it as a liner. और पता नहीं कितने सारे uses होंगे. Think about it and let me know in the comments. So this one is a must buy for all you experimental souls out there, and I completely love it and I highly recommend it. Moving on to the next very interesting find, and this one is the bangs I'm wearing. I am today wearing these bangs. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया तो this is not my real hair, this is a fake bang I'm wearing, and I have tried to style it up in my the way I like to part my hair, and it looks so natural, it blends so well with my hair, it looks fantastic. I mean, I am so blown away with this that I highly recommend it for a new change look. You can either style it like this, or you can style it up as you like it, और ये बिल्कुल एक न्यू लुक देता है आपके एग्जिस्टिंग टिपिकल लुक को, एंड यू कैन कैरी इट wherever you want to go, to your travel or to your शादी functions, or you can wear it. It's very easy. एक clip है यहाँ पर, tic tac clip जैसी. So I am going to open this. See. So this is my real hair and this is my fake band which I'm wearing. It is super amazing because ये मिनटों में आपका लुक बिल्कुल चेंज कर देता है. मैंने इसे साधना कट की तरह नहीं पहना. If I want to, I can wear that as well. Just randomly मैंने इसे अपने बाल कर लिए. So it is going to give a new look to my hair. Like मैंने अभी हेयर कट कराया हो, इसे थोड़ा सा सेट करने की ज़रूरत है, and that's it. You are good to go. और थोड़ा सेट करने के बाद you have a new look altogether. कैसा लग रहा है? I wanted to try this sadhana cut, but I never had the heart and the courage कि मैं जाकर सैलों में इसे कट करा लूँ. So this is a great investment for changing your look in 2 minutes in less than 200 to 300 rupees. Wow, what a discovery. Thank you Amazon for getting these amazing products under one roof. It is so easy to shop things under discount, and all of these product links are there in the video, so don't forget to check them out. Moving on to the next interesting product. Okay, so the rest of the video के लिए I'm gonna look like this. So this is a shoe I got from the brand called Mark Lawyer, and ये shoe set मेरा favorite है for Indian and Western wear both, because this one is in this chrome color. I mean ये silver and gold का mix है, बहुत ही beautiful. और इसका ये tip है बिल्कुल sharp नहीं, थोड़ा सा rounded and थोड़ा सा sharp, so it gives a perfect balance. और इसका ये heels are block heels, so it's not going to be a very difficult one to carry like the pencil heels or the stilettos. So ये मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए जो बहुत ज़्यादा हील पहनना पसंद नहीं करते, उनके लिए it's going to be a great investment. I totally love the way these look, and ये सारे outfits पे this pair of heels is doing so much good work, so much justice. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to the last product of the video. Alright, so I love the brand Faces Canada, and उनकी एक लिपस्टिक है Jewel Collection. I totally love it because इसकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है, ये दिखने में भी बहुत अच्छा है, और इसकी फिनिश कलर ऑप्शंस भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. So ये एक कलर है जो मेरे पास है अभी, फ्रेंच रोजेट, और ये इंडियन स्किन टोन्स पर बहुत खूबसूरत दिखता है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस म्यूटेड मॉवी न्यूड कलर, एंड ये ऐसे एक वेलवेट पाउच में आता है. बहुत खूबसूरत दिखता है, एंड इसका कलर मुझे बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट पिंक भी नहीं है एंड absolutely nude भी नहीं है, and this gives a beautiful look with all the suit sets which I have shown you today. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for my daily life updates. My handle is Not Only Makeup Blog, and I will see you in the next video super soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.